Hello everybody, I'm Celia. Today, let me introduce our main product, Mason.
See some of our design.
There are different fabrics in the shirt. Most of the people wear like the 100% cotton because it is very comfortable and a good hand feel. See this style? It is solid color with the printed construct on the cuff, construct on the collar. You see? Also see this style, this is the blue color. We made the construct here, collar, blanket, and the construct on the cuff. It is a solid color with the printing construct, formal and casual combined together. Let's see another one. It is cotton printed shirt. You see, this one is very fashion, and now the printed shirts are very popular in this year. Many big brands they will have the printed shirts. We have many options in the printing patterns on the swatches. You see, this one, many printed design. Each season, our designer will develop out some new printed color for customer to select.
Some our printing shirts design.
The next one it is the linen cotton shirt. The solid color linen cotton shirt. It's a white color. We also have the dress style we made into the button collar. Looks very casual and very fashion. The people very like it, the linen cotton shirt, because it is very breathable and sharp. When you wear the linen cotton shirt, you will feel very comfortable and very cool in the whole day.
They have solid color, printing color, dress style, and so on.
All these shirts people can wear them from business meeting to dinner, daily life, and everywhere they go. They will very enjoy their life. Now let's see how we make the shirts in our factories. First of all, our tailor makes out the paper pattern on the computer and then cutting the material.
Workers are cutting the fabric every day.
Pressing the collar, cuff, blanket, and then the workers sewing the shirt.
Sewing the shirts step by step.
The next one is packing the shirt very carefully.
Packing the shirts, put the hand tag, and then pack into the cartons. Make the shirt in a good packing condition.
Many steps to make out the shirt. Thank you for watching this video. If you have questions on how to do the main shirt, please tell me in the comments. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video about more our styles.